Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to revise the chapter of acid, bases and salts. We are going some important questions from this chapter. So you have to follow this chapter class, okay? Was it acidic substances? Acidic substances we can say that which means metals that can contain acid are known as acidic substances. So materials which contain acid are called acidic substances. These substances are sour in taste. Acids can be categorized in two types. What are they? Organic acids and mineral acids. What are organic acids? Acids which are found in plants, animals, or their products are called organic acids. And what is mineral acids? Acids derived from organic compounds are called mineral acids. For example, hydrochloric acid. Organic acids are weak acids and are safe to consume, while mineral acids are strong acids and highly corrosive in nature. An acid is said to be considered if the amount of water in the acid is lesser than the acid. It is said to be diluted if the amount of water in acid is more. So, when the acid is more, that time we are using this term concentrated, and when the water is more in the acid, that time we are using dilute. Okay, now this is very important part. Ascorbic acid, amla, citrus fruits, citric acid, citrus fruits, lemon, oranges, lactic acid, curd, tartaric acid, tamarind, grapes, acetic acid, vinegar, oxalic acid, tomato, spinach, malic acid, apples, tannic acid, tea, glycolic acid, sugarcane juice. Properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. Acids are corrosive in nature. Corrosive in nature means which is highly harmful to the skins. You can say which is highly harmful to the or for the skins and have the ability to corrode metals. It is for this reason they are generally stored in the glasswares, or we can say that that's why we are not keeping that things in a uh, any in any metals. That's why we are using glasswares or the glass jars. Acids are soluble in water. Uses of some mineral acids. Hydrochloric acid is used for cleaning sanitary ware. It is used in the purification of common salt. It is used in the manufacture of paints and detergents. Sulfuric acid is called as the king of chemicals as it is an important industrial chemical. It is used in car batteries. It is used to produce fertilizers. Nitric acid it is used to manufacture explosives like tinotrilium and nitroglycerin. It is used by goldsmiths to clean gold and silver ornaments. Acetic acid. It is used as vinegar to enhance the flavor of food. We are using vinegars, no? In chow means also you can using Maggi also using. So vinegar where it is enhance the flavor of food. It is used as a cleaning agent to clean floors, utensils, etc. It is used to remove stains on carpets and woodwork. It is used as a preservative in pickles. Pickles mean achar. No, we are keeping this one. We are storing that pickles for a long time. That's why it is called. It is also used as a preservative. Basic substance. There are some basic substances that are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. These substances are called bases. Examples of some bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Bases are used to manufacture a number of products that will use in our daily life. The substances that contain bases are called basic substances. Bases can be strong or weak. Strong bases like caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide are very corrosive in nature. Weak bases like copper hydroxide and zinc hydroxide are now corrosive in nature. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste. Bases are soapy to touch. Bases may or may not be soluble in water. Bases that dissolve in water is called alkalis. So, what are the alkalis? Alkalis means which bases are dissolved in water, that we call alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. Use of bases. Bases like calcium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide used to neutralize soil. Sodium hydroxide is used to deter preparation of soapy. Magnesium hydroxide is used in antacids. Sodium hydroxide is also used in manufacturing of cleaning solutions in paper industry and in many other industries. Bases and substances in which they are used: sodium hydroxide soap, ammonium hydroxide window cleaning solutions, sodium hydroxide lime water, potassium hydroxide soap, magnesium hydroxide milk of magnesia. The neutral, the substance that is neither acidic nor in basic in nature, like distilled, like distilled water, sugar, urea, glucose are called neutral substances. Now here, circle the correct options giving the whole to make meaningful substances. Now here, for the revision purpose, I am telling bases or acids which are sour in taste. Acids are sour in taste. Organic and mineral acids are found in plants. Mineral acids. Amla is a natural source of citric acid or ascorbic acid, citric acid. So these are the things, like these things I've told you. Okay. Here sulfuric acid is called the king of chemicals. Bases are acid, bases. Caustic soda is strong or weak base. Caustic soda is strong base. Distilled water is a neutral or acidic in nature. Distilled water is a neutral in nature. So, like these indicators, it is not safe. So for today only, up to this class will go to the next other part of the revisions. So today only I am telling you that how much I have taught you, just read it through your books and continue the reading. Okay. Whatever chapters I have taught you, it is enough for your exam to prepare. So go for the exercise questions, how much you can, and prepare for your examinations. So if you have any queries regarding these questions, ask me through your WhatsApp. So thank you very much.